तो आज हमारा टॉपिक एयर अराउंड अस क्लास 6 साइंस से पढ़ेंगे। वी हैव लर्नड इन चैप्टर 9 दैट ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स रिक्वायर एयर। हमने पहले भी चैप्टर 9 में ये पढ़ा था कि जो भी लिविंग थिंग्स है उनको हवा की ज़रूरत है। बट हैव यू एवर सीन एयर? क्या आपने कभी हवा देखा है? यू माइट नॉट हैव सीन एयर बट श्योरली यू मस्ट हैव फेल्ट इट्स प्रेजेंस इन सो मेनी वेज। हमने देखा तो नहीं है मगर इसको महसूस किया है। You notice it when the leaves of the trees rustle or clothes hanging on a clothesline sway. पेड़ों के पत्ते हिलते हैं। Pages of an open book begin fluttering when the fan is switched on. The moving air makes it possible for you to fly your kite. Moving air की वजह से हम पतंग आसमान में उड़ाते हैं। Do you remember activity 3 in chapter 5 in which you separated the sand and sawdust by winnowing? Winnowing is more effective in moving air. You may have noticed that during storms the wind blows at a very high speed. It may even uproot trees and blow off the rooftops. Have you ever played with a firki? Let us make a firki of our own following the instructions shown in figure 15.2. Hold the stick of the firki and place it in a different directions in an open area. Stick ले लो और उसको डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन में ओपन एरिया में move it a little back and forth. Observe what happens. Does the firki rotate? What makes a firki rotate? Moving air is not it. Have you seen a weathercock? क्या आपने कभी weathercock देखा है? It shows the direction in which the air is moving at that place. Is air present everywhere around us? क्या हवा हर जगह मौजूद है जहाँ होते हैं? Close your fist. अपनी fist को बंद करो. What do you have in it? Nothing. Try the following activity to find out. Take an empty open bottle. एक खाली बोतल ले लो. Is it really empty or does it have something inside? अगर ये पूरी खाली है या इसके अंदर कुछ है. Turn it upside down. Is something inside it now? Now dip the open mouth of the bottle into the bucket filled with water as shown in figure 15.4. Observe the bottle. Does water enter the bottle? तब क्या पानी बोतल के अंदर जाएगा? Now tilt the bottle slightly. Does the water now enter the bottle? क्या पानी बोतल के अंदर जाएगा? Do you see bubbles coming out of the bottle or hear any bubbly sound? Can you now guess what was in the bottle? क्या आप गैस कर सकते हो कि बोतल में क्या है? Yes, you are right. It is air. ये हवा है. That was present in the bottle. जो पानी बोतल में present है. The bottle was not empty at all. जो बोतल है खाली नहीं है. In fact, it was filled completely with air even when you turned it upside down. That is why you notice that water does not enter the bottle when it is pushed in an inverted position, as there was no space for air to escape. When the bottle was tilted, the air was able to come out in the form of bubbles, and water filled up the empty space that the air has occupied. This activity shows that air occupies space. It fills all the space in the bottle. It is present everywhere around us. Air has no color and one can see through it. It is transparent. Our Earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air. This layer extends up to many kilometers above the surface of the Earth and is called the atmosphere. As we move higher in the atmosphere, the air gets rare. Now, can you think mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders with them while climbing high mountains? What is air made of? हवा किसका बना है? Until the 18th century, people thought that air was just one substance. Experiments suppose that it is really not so. Air is a mixture of many gases. What kind of a mixture is it? Let us find out about some of the major components of this mixture one by one. बेटा मुझे उम्मीद है आज का टॉपिक आपको समझ आया होगा. इस चैप्टर को इस एयर अराउंड अस को एक दो बार रीड अपने घर में कीजिएगा तो आपको ये पूरा समझ आएगा. आपको पता है कौन सी बीमारियाँ है, इससे हमें बचना भी है. घर से बाहर निकल सकते मुंह को मास्क से ढकना है और भीड़ भाड़ इलाके में नहीं जाना है. अल्लाह आपको खुश रखे, अल्लाह आपको सलामत रखे. अल्लाह हाफिज़.